I started with this wooden dowel, and I cut them into 8 pieces, measuring 7 inches long. I get my wooden dowels at Hobby Lobby, and they have them in many different lengths. And I started by painting all 8 pieces with Wise Owl chocolate. And then I set those aside to dry. Next, I took a 3-inch circle and a 2-inch circle, and I painted both of them with the Wise Owl chocolate paint. Now I get these unfinished circles right from Hobby Lobby. You can grab them in a pack, and it's just something I always like to have on hand. I got this 16-inch wreath ring from Michael's, and I painted the entire thing with the Wise Owl chocolate. And then I allowed all of the paint to dry. Once everything was dry, I took some Elmer's wood glue and my 8 7-inch piece wooden dowels, and I glued them to the back side of the 3-inch circle. Now I'm just marking about 1/4 of an inch down on the wooden spindle, and that's where I'm placing the wood glue. And I'm just laying them on the back side of the 3-inch circle. And then I just set those aside to dry. Once all the glue was dry, I took my Elmer's wood glue and I just put a little bit of glue at the tip of each wooden dowel, and then I laid the 16-inch wreath ring on top of it. And then I'm just wiping off any extra glue that had seeped out from underneath the wreath ring. And then I glued my 2-inch circle on top of the 3-inch circle. I took some Wise Owl Antique Villa paint and a small art brush, and I'm just dry brushing the Antique Villa over the brown. So a dry brush is a very small amount of paint. I do not want to have full coverage with the white. I just want to lightly brush it on top of the chocolate. And now you can see that I'm making a wagon wheel. And you can decorate this for any season that you would like to. I took some of the berry sprays. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. They are $1.99 a spray, and then you get the additional 40% off of any fall item. And I'm just using some green floral wire, and I'm attaching the berry sprays to the wagon wheel. Now these have a wire in them, so you could kind of bend them so that they shape the wagon wheel. And you can use as much of the green floral wire as you need to hold it in place. I then took these bundle of leaves. I got these from Dollar General for $3. And I just cut some of the leaves off of the tip, and I glued it in the center of the berry sprays. And I'm just using some hot glue to attach it. And then you could just take any flower of your choice. And I had found these from the Dollar Tree, and I liked the color of them, so I just took one of the flowers off of the bundle, and I glued it to the center here. And then I just found this word hello, and using some of my Elmer's wood glue, I attached the hello to the bottom of the wagon wheel. I allowed that to dry, and now we just have this very inexpensive wagon wheel that you can decorate for any season that you'd like. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.